friends, in today's video we are going to see how to insert a node at nth position in a linked list, that is doubly linked list, and we will see the logic part today. So first of all, as you can see here, this is our definition of node of a doubly linked list. So it is having two pointers, previous and next, and a data field, that is a integer type. We will be inserting integer in this node. And now as you can see here, I have written a getNode function. Basically what I am doing here is, in this function, user is giving us a data, and with that data I am creating a node. And as you can see here, we are creating a node that is taking memory from our operating system, and node is the pointer to that particular node. And in next three lines we are updating the previous pointer, next pointer, and the data field. And in last line I am returning the node. And what is node here? As you can see here, this is a pointer to a struct node, and this is our linked list. So as you can see here, it is having three nodes: node 1, node 2, node 3, and this is our head pointer. So to insert a node in a linked list, we have to deal with 5 cases. And what are those 5 cases? So first of all, as you can see here, position is smaller than 1. Suppose I have a linked list of 5 nodes, and I want to insert a node at position smaller than 1, that is either 0th position or some negative position. Is it possible? No, it is not. Why? Because it is an invalid position. So what we need to do in this kind of case? In this kind of case, we need to convey a message to user that you have given us a wrong position. Please provide us with a valid input. And what is this? Position greater than size plus 1. Suppose I have a linked list of 10 nodes and I want to insert a node at 12th position or a position greater than it. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Why is it so? Because this is also a invalid position. Okay, and we need to convey a message to the user that you have provided us with a invalid position. Now let's come to case 3. So what is case 3? Case 3 is position equal to node equal to 1. So in this case, first of all, we need to create a node. Okay. Suppose using this getNode function, as you can see here, I have created a node. And suppose user want to insert 40 at first position. So first of all, what this function will do? This function will create a node and then update the previous pointer, next pointer, and data part. And here it is returning the pointer to it. Okay. So now see what we are going to do. Suppose this is a node which we have created. Here we have 40 as the data part, and these two nodes are currently pointing to null. And this is our pointer new node. Okay. So suppose 100 is the address. Sorry, let's assume 400 is the starting address of this particular node. What it means? We will have 400 in our new node, as it is the pointer to this particular node. Let's name this node N4. Okay, this is only logical name which we will be using for reference. Now what we are going to do to insert this particular node at first position. So first of all, we need to make somehow this particular node next part point to node 1 and previous part of this particular node to point to node 4, and then we need to update the head part, that is addressing head. So how we are going to do it? So to do it, first of all, what we will do? In new node dot next is equal to head. What is head here? 100. So here we will update 100. What it means? This particular node will start to point to node 1. And what we will do in next line? Head dot previous equal to new node. Okay. head dot previous. What is head dot previous here? Head dot previous is the previous part of node starting from memory address 100. So node 1 is starting from memory address 100 and this is the previous part. So here what we are going to do is we will update to new node. And what is the new node? In new node we have 400. So basically this node will start to point to node 4, that is node 1. And in next line what we will do? We will update head. Head is equal to new node. So what is going to happen here? In head we will put 400, and what it means? This link will be broken and head will start to point to node 1. Okay? Now as you can see here, we have successfully inserted this particular node in the first position. For verification, let's check. Head is pointing to node 1. Node 1 previous is pointing to some null address. And here you can see node 4.next is pointing to node 1. And then node 1.previous is pointing to node 4. What it means? We have successfully inserted this node at first position. Now what is our fourth case? Our fourth case was to insert the node at last position. Suppose this is node 5. Okay? And we want to insert this particular node at last position. What we have to do? We have to somehow make this previous pointer of node 5 point to node 4. Next pointer of this particular node, that is node 3, point to node 5. And we are all done with inserting a node at last position. And how we can do it? We can do it in 2 lines of code. Okay? So in new node dot next we will update this particular address. Okay? Suppose this particular address is hold in a current pointer. Okay? And next time what we will do? Current dot next equal to new node. And what is this current and current dot next? See, one thing I skipped here, which I will teach you in next video, is I will be using this current pointer to traverse this linked list, doubly linked list. And when I will reach at this particular position, I will execute these 2 lines of code. Now we will see the last case. So to insert a node at any other position in linked list, let's take the example. That is, we will be inserting 60 at third position. So first of all, what we need to do? We need to create a node. And to create a node, we will be using this getNode function. And new node will be the pointer to it. So first of all, what we are doing? We have created this new node. It will have 3 parts. This data part will be updated to 60 and these 2 parts will be null. Okay? Suppose this node is at memory address 700. So this particular new node is the pointer which will be holding the starting address of this particular node. That means this particular node pointer will point to this particular node. So for logical understanding, let's name this pointer N7. That is, we want to insert node 7 between node 2 and node 3, that is third position. Now if you remember, to insert a node at another position, what we need to do? We need to traverse. And where we need to traverse? We need to traverse at a position from where we will have the access of both the pointers. And pointer of what? Pointer of the, suppose I want to insert a node at third position, so we need to have the address of node 2 as well as node 3. That is, after insertion this one will become node 4. We need to have the address of node 2 as well as node 4. And what will be that thing? It's better to use this particular thing. That is, we will traverse and reach to this particular point. So, to traverse this doubly linked list, we will use a pointer called cur. node star curve equal to head, and we will put head in curve. So what we mean? Suppose this is a curve pointer, we will update it to head. That means it will also have 100 and it will also point to first node of this doubly linked list. And after that we will use for loop to traverse this doubly linked list. For int I equal to 0, I is smaller than pos minus 2, that is position minus 2, and I plus plus, we will traverse this doubly linked list and update cur equal to cur dot next. So suppose I want to insert a node at third position, how many times this for loop will execute? Int I equal to 0, I is smaller than 3 minus 2, that is 1. So this for loop will execute for one time, and as you can see here, before execution of this for loop, we will have 100 in cur, and after execution of this for loop, what will happen? This for loop will execute for one time, and I will update this current pointer. So right now current is holding 100, so in current I will update current dot next. And what is current dot next? So as you can see here, current is pointing to node 1, and current dot next will be the next part of node 1. And what we have in next part of node 1? 200. So we will update this current pointer to 200, which means now this pointer, that is current pointer, will start to point to node 2. Now come the main thing, that is now we will update the pointers. And to insert node 7 at third position, what we need to do? First of all, we will update these two pointers. Okay? Somehow make node 7 previous pointer have the address of node 2, node 7 next pointer has the address of node 3. So now let's write it. New node is having the address of, that is new node is the pointer which is having the address of node 7. Node 7 is just a logical name which we are using for our understanding. Okay? New node dot previous, we need to update it to node 2 address. And where we have node 2 address? We have node 2 address in cur. Okay? In next time what we will do? New node dot next, that we will update next part to node 3, and from where we can get node 3 address. We have node 3 address in node 2 next part. And how we can update node 2 next part? See, current is holding 200, so current dot next will be the node 2 next part. So current dot next. Now what will happen after these two line execution will be done? Here we will update current, which is 200, and here we will update current dot next, which is 300, which means we will create a link like this. That is node 7 previous pointer will start to point to node 2, and node 7 next pointer will start to point to node 3. Now what is remaining? We need to make node 2 next part point to node 7. After that we need to make node 3 previous part point to node 7. And how we are going to do it? This is also two line of code. So first of all, we will update current dot previous. We will update node 3's previous part. Current dot next is node 3, and we will update its previous part. And what we are going to update in this previous part? Node 7. That is new node. Node 7's address. Okay. Now we will have 700 here, and this link will be broken, and we will create a link like this from node 3 to node 7. And in next line what we will do? Current dot next, we will update node 7, that is node 7's address, new node. And what we have in new node right now? 700. So we will update 700 here. This link will be broken and a link between node 2 and node 7 will be created. So as you can see here, we have successfully inserted node 7 between node 2 and node 3. So this is how we need to insert a node in any other position. So basically what we have done in this particular video, we have inserted a node at another position in a linked list, and to deal with this we have 4 cases, that is smaller than 1, greater than size plus 1, then position equal to 1, that is at head. Okay, and fourth position was that is size plus 1, and last position was is any other position. Okay, and we have successfully done it. And in last 2 cases we have used a current pointer to traverse, and